Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about reporting your rent, how you can report your rent to your credit report, because I know a lot of people paying rent, they're paying high prices for rent, and it's not benefiting the credit. It's like, what's the point of paying $2K a month or $1,500 a month, and it's not beneficial to your credit report? It's not boosting your score. I'm here to tell you a program that can have your monthly rent report on your credit report. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so when I drop a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Okay, so please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell button as well. Okay, so today I want to talk to you guys, like I said, how to have your rent report on your credit report. There's this company called Boom. It's called Boom, literally. And I will have the link below the video so you can go down the video and click on the link. Okay, so basically this is how it works. You can report as far back as 2 years. So if let's say you've been living in that specific home or that specific place and it's been 2 years, you can report those 2 years right now. So if you go on the website, you go on there, make an account, you can report 2 years, as far back as 2 years. So that's a positive trade line on your credit report, which is great. So it reports to all 3 credit bureaus, so TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. All you gotta do is go on the website, make an account, put your name information. You will need your lease agreement, and you will need to connect your bank account so that way you can see your payments going through every month. So you just need your rental agreement and connect your bank account, and that's it. That's how easy it is. They do not need your landlord information. They do not need your landlord to get involved. They do not need any information, such things as like landlord involvement on the transaction. So all you gotta do is go in there, put your rental lease agreement in there, connect your bank account. They will report those 2 years you've been paying this monthly rent, and that's only for like $25. That's it. $25 report your 2 years. Then it'll be $2 a month to report every month. So that's it, $2 a month to report every month from now on. That's perfect. And it's going to boost your score. You're going to see a difference in like 10 days, literally. And 10 days or a month, you should start seeing a difference on your score. If not, you can still have it. Though you don't see the difference in a month, you can still leave it and see within 2-3 months will it show a difference. Because reporting your rent is a positive thing, because if you don't have enough open account, so let's say you have about 2 to 3 credit cards and that's it, having that little lease, that little rent agreement every month is going to be helpful for you. So why not? If you're paying your monthly rent, if you always pay on time for your rent, why not have a report? Like, why not? So I think it's very beneficial. You pursue all 3 bureaus. It can help your score. It can strengthen your credit profile, especially if you don't have enough trade line. If you don't have enough trade lines, this is perfect for you. So that can be a positive trade line. If you don't have enough open accounts, you only have like 2 credit cards, maybe a loan, a car loan, or a student loan, that's all you have in a credit report, you don't have enough positive things, I would definitely ASAP start getting that rent payment going every single month, reporting every single month. If you always pay on time, you don't get any goodies, you don't get any points. It's like, well, what are we doing here? So especially rent is so high. You're paying $2K a month and you're not getting nowhere on your credit, so might as well add that on your report. It can help you. Like I said, if you guys have any questions about the program, I will have my phone number down below on the video as well. You can text me or you can email me if you have questions or you're confused, you don't know what to do. I can walk you through it. It's really easy. All you need is your rental agreement and connect your bank account. That's it. And like I said, it's only $25. It's only $25 to report 2 years of your rent, and it's $2 a month every month. You can cancel anytime if you want, but I would not cancel it. It's only $2 a month. It's not hurting me. It's only helping me. I wouldn't cancel it at all. That's me. If you guys have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out to me. And that's it for the video. Have a beautiful day, and please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, or you can reach out to me as well if you have any personal questions, and hit the bell button, okay, for future videos. Okay guys, bye.